What's up, Peak Timers? A brand new color variation of the Corvette C7R with some cool looking wheels. Let's go ahead and open this one up and get a close-up look at it. Here it is, the Corvette C7R, and we've seen many different color variations of this one, but these wheels are just so good on this one. I love it. Hot Wheels Speed Graphics, car number 1 of 10 track stars from the 2018 set, car number 152 of 365. All right, let's go ahead, open it up. I love this one. Love Corvettes. I'm a big Corvette fan, so any new Corvette that comes out, I like to get. And check it out. What does it say on the side? It says Summit. I think it's Summit Auto or something like that. Summit Performance. I don't know, something like that, but it looks kind of cool. Nice blue, and then the silver right here as well. And look at those wheels. Great looking. I mean, we would never see these big 5-star chromed wheels on a race car, but you know what? They can do it in a Hot Wheels format, so it does look fantastic. Got the nice colored bottom on there as well. Check that out. Big rear wing, big diffuser on there as well. And I'm not sure if we saw a C7R go down our top speed test track before, so it'll be interesting to see this one on Saturday go down the top speed tester. Until then, let's go ahead and put it into the turntable to get a nice close-up look at it. I will see you guys on the track on Saturday. Thanks a lot for watching this one, guys. If you like this video, throw this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.
What's up, Peak Timers? This is your boy Phil from Peak Time Racing. I just want to thank you all for watching this video. Now, I just want to make sure you guys are fully aware of the Peak Time Racing brand, which consists of all 3 of these channels right here. We've got Peak Time Racing, which is the channel you're on right now. We've got Peak Time Vlogs, which is my vlogging channel where you can find more stuff about my daily life, my family, and a lot more behind the scenes things, as well as Peak Time TV, which is my gaming channel, mixed in with a little bit of a storyline channel with Hot Wheels, some really cool stories and Hot Wheels stuff in there as well. I just want to make sure you guys don't miss out on a video that I post, so be sure to subscribe to all 3 of those channels. I will be doing a monthly giveaway, and all you have to do to enter is post on any one of my videos and any one of my channels that you are subscribed to all 3 of the Peak Time Racing branded channels. I'll be picking one lucky winner each month at random who will receive a prize package of Peak Time Racing branded things as well as Hot Wheels. Thanks again for watching this one. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.